Potato lovers, this Batata Mahshieh recipe is for you. Fried potatoes with spicy meat filling over vermicelli rice. Start by peeling potatoes, then trim the ends. Using a manqara, hollow potato out by pushing into flesh and turning. Cook potatoes in boiling water for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, blanch tomatoes by cutting an X and removing the stem. Once potatoes have cooked, blanch tomatoes in the same boiling water for 3 minutes. Then, add to an ice bath. This makes it easy to peel the skin. Once all the tomatoes are peeled, cut into quarters, then add to a food processor and puree. To make tomato sauce, cut the onion into a fine dice, then add olive oil to a pan until it shimmers. Cook the onions until translucent, adding a chopped Serrano for some heat, then some crushed garlic. Season with salt and a little bit of black pepper. Add the pureed tomatoes and cook for 20 minutes until thickened. Season potatoes with salt and pepper, then fry in vegetable oil until golden brown, turning halfway, about 5 minutes. Drain on kitchen paper, then season and fry the reserved flesh. Once drained, on kitchen paper, arrange in a large baking dish. To make the stuffing, chop the onion into a fine dice and onto a plate. In a heated pan with olive oil and ghee, pan fry the onions with a pinch of salt until translucent, then add the meat and mix. Add the crushed garlic and season with ground allspice, ground cinnamon, a little bit more salt, and black pepper. Cook until golden brown and set aside. Stuff potatoes with filling, packing firmly, adding to the baking dish, distributing remaining filling evenly. Ladle the tomato sauce over the potatoes, then add chopped serranos. Bake in a 375 oven for 30 minutes. To make vermicelli rice, add olive oil and butter to a pot. Add the vermicelli and sauté until golden brown, adding the rice and mixing well. Then add salt and boiling water. Cover and cook for about 20 minutes. Potatoes have baked by now. Serve the potatoes and the sauce over vermicelli rice and garnish with parsley. Enjoy this sumptuous dish with your favorite pickle.